Yo, it's pretty important that you have to have this on your trailer. And I forgot that on my car. So we go to the trailer. So, I had to stop at Walmart. Quick pit stop. Take this. Little 7-leaf adapter. Plug that in here. Push that bad boy in. Up. Then you take the plug right here. Boom. Should be good. Should be good. Lights are working. Boom. Let's go fishing. Yo, we're going fishing. That's exactly what it is. Today, one of my buddy Hor, shout outs to Hor for lending me your boat this weekend. Let me come out to do some fishing. I did not forget the intro. I just didn't want to do it. Let's go fishing. All right, so I had to run back to the car. Can't forget these. I haven't like ran uphill in like the longest time. All right, let's go.
Sure?
Yeah, sure this time. Check out this new Solex. Not new, but it's new to me. These Solex are pretty dope. Solex 15, touchscreen, a little button or whatever. Alright, made it to our first stop. I got my wife here with me today. Say hello.
Hi.
Gonna get on some fishing. I think we should be good. First spot. Same one you were throwing last time? Same one she was throwing last time. She was doing dirt on it. There you go. And I will be throwing a got 'em jig. Shout out to got 'em jig right here. You know, keeping us on fishes. Oh, fish! Oh,
I don't know where the net is.
the net is right under here.
Oh man.
Let's go. Oh, this is a nice fish. Oh, this is a nice fish. Oh, yeah, that's what we're here for, boys. All right. Get him in the net. Oh, girl.
It's not me. It's the.
No, you have the net.
Go under?
Yeah, go under. Always go under. There you go. Good job. Oh yeah, first fish of the day on the got 'em jig, Joe. Let's go. Oh yeah, first fish of the day, 4-pounder. I'll take that. This whole year I've been struggling to get on some nice fish, or I haven't been out fishing lately. That fish made up for it. Ooh, she's hooked up. Ooh. Woo! It's a little guy. Caught a little cutie. She caught a little cutie. Okay. Bring it up. A little cuter. Oops. Oh, oops. Get back out there. Fish busting. Got fish is busting everywhere. That's a fish. Yes, sir. Ooh. Yeah, it's okay. Ooh, I just boat flipped it a 4-pounder. Fish number 2. Oh.
Bigger than
But it's not as chubby though. Can you take a photo of me? Ouch. Looks like the bass are staged on the inside weed line. So I'm gonna be on the outside just casting in. Seems to be working, right? But still had it for a while. It's good to know. Watching Yep. Ooh, it's another nice fish. Nothing? Oh. This is the same fish, probably the same fish that jacked my thing earlier. Yeah, I knew you were gonna come back. I just knew it. I knew it. No, I knew it. Amanda's watching Wild Enough back there. I got a bite.
This is a Flowgasm Beats production.
Ooh, that is a nice fish. Off with the drop shot. Yep. Yeah. Skin hooked up, mother.
You're doing good today.
Skin hooked. Don't do that, bro. Just because of that, yeah. fish on? How long the fish was holding on to this? Yes, sir. Oh, yes, ma'am. Oh, man, these fish are so strong. Oh, so strong. Ah. All right, so we're gonna let our fish friends go. Took them on a little boat ride with us, and they've been good. So, well, actually, I'm gonna take some photos first. Yo, check this out. One of these bass is up. Big old bluegill. Look how big this thing is. Pretty crazy. Which one of you guys did it? Huh? Yeah? Alright. Alright, so we have to get out of here. Alright, so we have to get out of here. Storm's coming. And I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you like what you saw, please help me a lot. If you guys hit the like, share, and subscribe button. And I'll see you guys in the next episode. Alright, guys? Peace.